In this video, we will show you how to manage tools in Dental CNC. As you can see, we've just opened the application and there is one job in the job list. However, there is one problem: the red icon indicates that you cannot process the job. Why is this? Well, take a look at this area here. The tools required for the job are missing. Let's change this. First, we will open the Tool Administration view by selecting this icon. On the right side, you can see the Virtual Tool Magazine. It is the digital counterpart to the physical tool magazine in your machine. All tools in your machine's tool magazine should be listed in the Virtual Tool Magazine. On the left side, you can see the Virtual ATB. ATB stands for Administrated Toolboard. It can contain up to 30 tools and represents your tool stock. You can find a physical version of the ATB in the accessory drawer of the K5 and K5 Plus, and you can also obtain it for other machines. First, we need to add tools to the Virtual ATB to tell Dental CNC which tools we own. There are 30 numbered tool cards in the Virtual ATB. Let's add a tool to the tool card number 1 by selecting this icon. The tools that you can select from the list are machine-specific. If a tool is not on the list, it cannot be used with the connected machine. The selected tool now appears on the tool card number 1. Now, let's add some more tools. It doesn't matter which tool positions you select for the individual tools. Here we are. Now, we have to move the tools which are required for our next job to the Virtual Tool Magazine. This time, the positions are important. They must correspond to the physical tools in the machine's tool magazine. Otherwise, the machine will use the wrong tools. The labels on the Virtual Tool Magazine correspond to the labels on your machine's tool magazine. Let's say the tools we need are in the positions 6, 7 and 8 of the machine's tool magazine. Therefore, we need to move the tools in Dental CNC exactly to these positions. We can do this by dragging the tools from the Virtual ATB to the desired positions in the Virtual Tool Magazine one after another. To avoid mistakes, it is a good idea to insert the corresponding physical tool into the machine's tool magazine at the same time. On each tool card, the remaining tool life displays. If this value displays in red, the tool is worn and should be replaced. If you replace the tool, use this icon to reset the tool life to its full duration. If you insert two identical tools into the tool magazine, one of the tools serves as a backup tool. When the maximum tool life of the first tool has been exceeded, the machine will automatically use the backup tool. If you no longer own a tool and don't plan to replace it, you can delete it by dragging it to this icon. As we have added all required tools to the Virtual Tool Magazine, let's go back to the machining view. This looks much better. All required tools are now in the Virtual Tool Magazine. Consequently, the indicator is now green. If you have prepared your machine, you can process the job right away. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.